Well, let's see. I did a lot of art when I was a kid because my mom like kind of forced me to. and then when I was I ended up not taking any art classes my first year of Hampshire, but then I took a painting class and I loved it, an oil painting class. And so then yeah, and then so I mean, I don't know. My senior project, I ended up doing paintings that were about my Jewish identity. So it was very personal, and I ended up doing a lot of stuff that had to do with like family and like memories, and for my paper also, it turned into this whole thing about like how identities are either like constructed or inherited or both, which I think they are both. So yeah, I don't know. I've done a lot of 2D. I want to do maybe a post-baccalaureate program in art and take more classes because I definitely like wouldn't be ready to do a graduate program, but I want to continue. I think it was actually more of a I think it was kind of a practical thing because at Hampshire, everyone does the year-long senior project, and I was talking to my advisor, who's a Jewish studies person, and I had a few ideas, and she was like, "Oh, why don't you, why don't you do something about Jewish art?" And so I did, and I interviewed Jewish artists, and I also wanted to bring, I wanted to do my own studio art as well. So, and I was kind of trying to think of a project, and this is just what it evolved into. So I think it was kind of a practical putting of two things together, and it worked out. And it was really cool that I got to like explore and think about this thing in like a really like deep way, and both through writing and art. But I don't know, I wouldn't say I don't think I've had the experience without an assignment for myself to just do my own thing. I don't know if I would produce Jewish art.